When we think about Ferrari, we think about hardcore sports cars. After all, we think about Formula One and of course the Prancing Horse logo. But did you know Ferrari also makes cars with what they call two souls? In that regard, it's a car that can be both elegant and sporty. We are right here in Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia for the regional debut of the Ferrari Amalfi.
The Ferrari Amalfi is the Prancing Horse's newest front mid-engine V8 powered sports car that offers a balance between adrenaline and everyday usability. Drawing inspirations from the Roma, the Amalfi takes on an even more sculpted and minimalist look. The lighting units are now integrated into a cut along the fenders, while the front is now devoid of a traditional grille. Like newer Ferrari models, there's now a body-colored wing above a dark recessed band that integrates not just the headlights, but the various sensors as well. The same goes for the back, with a rear windshield that merges with a spoiler profile and taillights integrated into the cuts as well. The Amalfi is also the result of a complex and close collaboration between Ferrari's aerodynamics department and the Ferrari Styling Center. The result is a body sculpted in every detail. Key to the Amalfi's two souls approach is a twin-turbo 3.9-liter V8. Here, the outputs have been reworked to 640 horsepower and 760 Nm of torque. The performance improvements is down to advanced turbocharging management, lightweight camshafts, and a redesigned engine block. It's also the first Ferrari to use low-viscosity oil. Of course, typical of Ferrari, the Amalfi receives its own signature sound. In terms of handling, the Amalfi is the latest Ferrari to take on brake-by-wire for reduced pedal travel and enhanced modulation even with the ABS engaged. The steering is also made quicker and more accurate, while the rear active spoiler improves high-speed stability and braking. This is on top of a perfect front-to-rear weight distribution. The wheel and tire package has also been carefully chosen to balance comfort with progressive handling. Inside, the same dual cockpit layout remains. For the Amalfi, a monolithic layout with instrument clusters and vents made to look as one has been adopted. The 15.6-inch instrument cluster is supplemented by a 10.25-inch capacitive touchscreen in the middle and a third 8.8-inch screen for the passenger. Meanwhile, the center tunnel is milled from a block of anodized aluminum, and it houses the gear selector, key slot, wireless charging pad, and secondary controls. Finally, Ferrari has adopted physical buttons to the steering wheel. The interior color palette also reflects the car's bold character, with material and color combinations that emphasize the concept of sportiness.
We hope you enjoyed our first look at the all-new Ferrari Amalfi, a car that's heading to Manila this May. We hope to drive it when it arrives in Manila, but for now, that's it. I'm Yuliang from CarGuide.PH.